Good evening, everybody. Tonight we have one of our B1 student, Luis, who is going to do his final presentation from B1 level. Please introduce yourself and tell everyone what are you going to talk about today.
Good evening. My name is Luis Curipoma. I am 31 years old. I'm talking about the electricity. The electricity moves the world. The electricity is a way of energy that we use in all places. For example, in our jobs, in our house. The electricity permits us to have light in dark places and illuminate our house and streets. Also, we use the electricity to generate money because the electricity is very important in the industries to process and create products for selling for the customers.
Luis, can you please tell everyone where does electricity come from?
The electricity comes from in different ways, and these are, for example, the hydraulic power station. The hydraulic power station generates electricity from water energy. This plant consists in a big reservoir, in a big pipes, in generator. The process to generate electricity in these plants is the water is in a big reservoir. The water travels through big pipes to generator. The generator turns and generate electricity.
Interesting. Continue, please.
Other way to generate electricity is the wind power station. The wind power station generates electricity from the wind energy. This plant consists in a big tower that is a big structure, three blades, and a generator. The process to generate electricity in these plants is the wind energy turns the blades. The blades are connected by a shaft to generator. The generator turns to and generates electricity.
Mm-hmm.
Other way to generate electricity is the solar power station. The solar power station generates electricity from sun energy. This plant consists in a photovoltaic panels and controller and battery and inverter. The process to generate electricity in these plants is the photovoltaic panel receive the sun energy, and these panels transform the sun energy to electricity. The controller stabilizes the voltage values to the battery. The battery stores the energy in shape direct voltage. Investor transfer the direct voltage to alternate voltage. The alternate voltage we use in our house.
Okay.
Other form to generate electricity is the steam power station. The steam power station generates electricity from steam energy. These plants consist in the boiler, in the pipes, turbine, generator, condenser, pump, and water. The process to generate electricity in these plants is here is the boiler that it boils the water through the combustion of fuel. The steam generated travels through pipes to turbine. The turbine turns. The turbines are connected to generator. The generator turns to and generates electricity. The steam travels to condenser. The condenser transforms from steam to water. The water travels to pump. The pump impulses water to boiler, and process repeat again.
Okay, continue.
The power electric system. In this picture, we can see the power electric system. The power electric system consists in power generator station, main transmission lines, a step down or a step up transformer, electricity poles, electricity distribution substation, a step down distribution transformer, breaker and switches, and consumer. In this case, we have three types of consumers: commercial consumer, industrial consumer, and domestic consumer. The power electric system goal is the transport the electricity from power generation station and final consumers. There are other ways to generate electricity, but in Ecuador we have a hydraulic power station, wind power station, solar power station, and steam power station. After generating electricity, it must be delivered to all the people through distribution networks. The electrical company is in charge of distributing electric energy. For example, in Ambato, we have an electric company called Empresa Eléctrica Ambato. All people needs the electricity. For that reason, the electrical company build the distribution network in all places. For example, around the city, in the mountain, uh, until the farthest places. And this is all. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much, Luis. See you soon.